What is Christie Pandoras Box Widget Designer? Imagine having complete show control, where you can easily and quickly connect all your sources and displays with a single powerful interface. Christie Pandoras Box Widget Designer is an intuitive software tool that is used to build customized show control applications that perfectly meet your needs. From simple control to large-scale monumental events. How does Widget Designer work? Using its intuitive visual interface, you can easily build a powerful control dashboard by simply connecting components or by using our simple scripting engine. Easily connect your external devices and create a custom control interface. You now have control of all your devices, individually or as a group. Widget Designer then translates all the different protocols to let them interact with each other, automatically or on demand, with single or multiple controls, such as tracking systems, industrial sensors, PCs, tablets, or even gaming controllers. It seamlessly connects to Pandoras Box, but independent standalone applications can be built as well. On the back end, you can build an entire monitoring system for your technical setup. For example, checking the status of your projectors, servers, matrices, or any other network devices in your system. Whatever your next project is, Pandoras Box Widget Designer provides all the tools needed to create the ideal control solution to deliver a perfect show. Connect and control. Now the show can begin.